how to make money using Instagram Reels. $200 plus a day strategy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make money using Instagram Reels. So let's get started. First, what you guys can do is you can open up your Instagram.com on your mobile phone, or you can also open it up on your laptop. For the purpose of the video, I have opened up Instagram on my PC right here, and I'll show you how you can make money. If you like to scroll on Instagram and you're actually using social media, all the time, and you also want to make money, then I think this video is for you. I'll show you how you can make money the easy way. All you need to do is just create some reels, have fun, and make money. So let's get into it. What are the different ways that help us make money through Instagram Reels? Keep in mind, Instagram does not pay you anything directly to make reels. There is no such thing like that. So if you have heard that anywhere, that's not true. And the videos we see that claim that, oh, okay, you can make like thousands of dollars this way, or Instagram pays you, that's not true. We will be using some other ways that help us make money. So the first thing is you can make money on Instagram Reels by selling your own products. So if you have a merchandise, or if you have an e-commerce store, if you already have a store, then what you can do is you can actually sell your products. For example, if you have a store on Redbubble or you have a store on Shopify, we can actually sell our print on demand on using Instagram Reels. How we do that? We add our products in our Instagram bio, the reel bio, and what we can do is we can do a product review. So for example, if I make a reel with very cool glasses I'm wearing, and I say that, okay guys, these are my new glasses, and you can actually check them out on my store as well. So if your video gets good likes and good views, then of course people will be checking out the product that you're selling, and they will be interested in all of the different things that you have used in your reels. That's why a lot of people ask us whenever we post something, they are like, oh, okay, so where did you get the top from, where did you get the glasses from? So we can tell them that, okay, this is my store and you can buy these products. And eventually I will be using Instagram Reels to make money, to sell my products. So this is the easiest way we can do so. Now, if you do not have a store, if you're not selling products already, what to do then? Then you can get started with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually a way to make money online with a minimum investment, and even without investment sometimes. All you need to do is just promote the product links that an affiliate product gives you, and you make money through it. How it works is that you can get started with any of the digital marketing platform. For example, we have digistore24.com. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation. So what you can do is you can go to this platform, you can sign up, you can register for free. Once you register, then you can check out their marketplace. In marketplace, you will be able to find a lot of different products, like softwares and different physical products. And once you check out the products, you get their link. You can see we have dance and music, which does pretty good in reels. And we have education, family and kids, fashion, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun. So you can actually get any of the product, and then you can see we get 85% of commission. All we need to do is we just need a platform to share a link that has been given to us, our affiliate link. You click on promote now, they give you a link, and with this link I will be making, you can see, $25. So what I will do is I will get the link, I will get back to my Instagram, and I will create a reel and add the link in the description or inside my reel. What will happen is then people will click on it, they will check it out, and I will make money with affiliate marketing. So you can use Instagram Reels for the promotion of your product and for your affiliate marketing products. So these are the two ways you can go for. Now let's actually go for more easier ways to make money online. With Instagram Reels, we can actually make money with the collaboration, and that is actually the most famous way to make money through Instagram Reels, because if you are an influencer, if you have more than like maybe 500 followers or 1,000 followers, you will be able to make money on Instagram through collaborations, through paid promotions. So with Reels, what we can do is we can create Reels on Instagram, and different companies and different online stores approach us for their product promotion. And what I can do then is I can actually use their product in my reel, and I'll be like, okay, guys, go ahead and check them out. And they will be paying me to do so. And we know that all of these celebrities, they actually charge like millions of dollars for actually one post on Instagram. And that's what happens with an influencer as well. If you're not a celebrity, but you are doing good on Instagram, your reels are getting, famous, you're getting views. So what you can do is you can actually create reels, and people will approach you. They will like to do the paid collaboration with you. They pay you to use their product, they send you the product, and that is how we make money on Instagram. And we can also make money using Instagram reels. Another way is by product review. In here, we don't need to actually sell a product. We don't need to promote a link. All we do is we are sent a product, or sometimes we have to buy it, and we make a product review video, and then that company pays us to make that videos. You can make that kind of videos on Instagram reels as well. Product reviews videos are actually good on YouTube as well. Like if you have a YouTube channel and you make product review videos, then of course you get paid and you can make money on Instagram reels. We can do the same. We can create product reviews videos, and that product and that company pays us to review their product. Similarly, we can actually collaborate with other influencers too, and they pay us to collaborate with them. All you need to do is you just need to improve the quality of your Instagram reels, create some reels, and you will be able to gain attention of all of the different influencers and different companies and different accounts on Instagram. That will help you make money. And because Instagram has recently become more like TikTok, and Instagram reel has become an important part of Instagram instead of just posting pictures. So with that comes a lot of opportunity. When everybody is watching reels all the time, Instagram is a huge platform with billions of users and using it every day. So if you become famous on Instagram, and if you make good reels with good quality, be consistent with it, use a good camera angle, you can use a theme for your reels, and you can use the trending sounds to trend with your reel. So once you have created a reel and it also has some affiliate links, you have a good product, you even have your own merchandise, so that will help you a lot to make money. And once you become famous, you can collaborate and do paid collaborations. It's not like if you're making money with affiliate marketing, you cannot make money by selling your product. That's not the case. You can use all of these methods at the same time too and make money from multiple sources. When it comes to Instagram reel, we have also seen a lot of influencers, once they get famous, they also launch their merchandise, and there's a reason behind it, because these products help you make a lot of money where you're actually creating your own business. It's also about your future, and it becomes like you can grow your business later to other platforms as well, not just Instagram. You can go to Facebook, you can create your multiple stores and create your own business and sell it with Instagram reels. So you can go ahead and start creating reels right now, and you can start posting today, make some money with Instagram reels, stop wasting your time, and get rich. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.